নমস্কাৰ ডেইলি নিউজ চেনেললৈ মই আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিম বিশ্বৰ সকলো দেশৰ বিভিন্নজনৰ লগত কেনেকৈ ইংলিছ প্ৰেক্টিছ লগতে চাটিং কৰিব পাৰিব ফ্ৰী অফ কষ্টত। এইটো এটা ইউনিক ৱেবছাইট হয়। যদি ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিলে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব আৰু বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰিব। অলপ ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। গুগল প্লে ষ্ট'ৰৰ পৰা এপছটো ডাউনলোড কৰি ছাইন আপ কৰিব লগতে অ'পেন কৰিব। অ'পেন কৰাৰ লগে লগে আপুনি এনেকুৱা এটা ইণ্টাৰফেচ দেখিবলৈ পাব। তলত যি দেখিবলৈ পাইছে গোল এটা চিম্বল, ইয়াতে ক্লিক কৰিলে আপুনি চাটিং কৰিব পাৰিব। আৰু লগতে থকা যিটো হাতৰ ফিংগাৰ দেখিবলৈ পাইছে ইয়াতে ক্লিক কৰিব। তাতে আপুনি কল কৰিব পাৰিব। অলপ কল কৰোঁ। ওপৰত দেখিবলৈ পাইছে ইনষ্টা মেছেজ, তাতে ক্লিক কৰিব। Hi, this is Rahul here from India. Can you hear me? Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Where are you from?
I'm from Tajikistan.
Okay, you're from Tajikistan. Okay, what's your good name?
Amina.
Yeah, good name.
Amina. My name is Amina.
Okay, so Amina, so how long you have been using this application?
Maybe more than 1 month.
More than 1 month. Okay, so what do you think about this application?
Yeah, it's good application, very useful.
Okay, so are you a student?
Yeah, I'm a student, also I'm a teacher.
Okay, so what's the timing right now in your country?
It's 4 o'clock.
It's evening or morning?
4 o'clock evening.
Evening. Okay, so what do you do, right?
Right now I'm using this app.
Okay. Do you have any friends? Hello.
Friends
No. I mean, so how many friends have you made through this application?
Yeah, in this application. Yeah, I have some friends with whom sometimes I'm talking.
Okay.
And I think you're from India, am I right?
Yes, I am from India. Okay, so how did you know I'm from India?
I know your flag.
Okay, so okay, so you recognize from my flag, right? National flag.
Yeah.
Okay, so in your country, how many virus affected?
I don't know exact number, but
Okay.
what's your name?
Actually, my name is Rahul, but I am using A to Z. That's my Gmail account number.
Okay. It means you are Hindu.
No, actually, I'm Christian.
And why your name is Rahul?
See, name is doesn't matter what religion you are. Okay.
Yeah, you're right. But in India, Rahul it is Hindu name.
Okay, so who told you Rahul is? Hello.
I think so.
Okay, so do you know Indian Bollywood movie? Have you ever seen Indian Bollywood movie?
Yeah.
I think you are watching Indian Bollywood movie, right? Name.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, so what's your so who is your favorite actor?
Yeah, my favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes, yes, because yes, I know Shahrukh Khan was using name of Rahul in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge movie, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So okay, so that's why you are asking me why you are your name is Rahul, right?
Yes.
Okay, so Amina, so do you have any future planning?
And you what? Sorry.
No, I'm asking, do you have future planning?
What is that?
No, I mean, so what would you like to become in your life?
Yeah, actually, at university, my specialty is translator. In future, I will be translator.
Okay. Okay, so do you have hobbies? What do you want to do in your leisure time?
Yeah, at that time, if I have free time, I'm watching TV, listening music, but I know that it's not hobby because I
Okay.
have not some hobby like drawing or something else. Just watching.
Okay. Okay, so Amina, I will text you later. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, I will text you later.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Bye. Have a nice day. Nice to meet
Thank
you.
you. You too.
Bye.